The waters of the Persian Gulf are heating up again. Not because of weather, not because of storm, but because of warships, oil tankers, and sudden military move that is sending shockwaves across global energy market. And this time, all the drama begins near one of the world's most sensitive maritime choke point, the Strait of Hormuz. Now let's pause here and visualize the entire scene. Massive oil tankers slowly sailing through the narrow Gulf water, carrying fuel worth millions of dollars, moving through a route that powers economies across Asia, Europe, and beyond. Everything appears routine, but suddenly fast-moving military boats surrounded two vessels. Orders are shouted, communication channels freeze, navigation system go all silent. Within minutes, the tankers, they are no longer free. Iran's Revolutionary Guards, also known as the IRGC, they have taken control. That's right, according to Iranian authorities, the vessels were not ordinary commercial ships. Iran claims that they were involved in large-scale fuel smuggling operations. Officials say that more than 1 million liters of diesel they were found on board. And the crew, 15 foreign sailors, have reportedly been detained. They are now facing legal investigation inside Iran. In fact, the location of this incident makes it even more serious. The ships were intercepted near Farsi Island. Now, this is not just any island. It is a highly strategic Iranian military zone in the Persian Gulf, a place heavily monitored by Iranian naval forces, a location where foreign vessels are watched extremely closely. And you know what? History shows us that incident near Farsi Island, it often triggers global tensions very, very quickly. Iran says that this operation, it was not really sudden. Officials claim that the ships were tracked for months. Surveillance, monitoring, data collection. Only after collecting enough evidence did Iranian forces move in to seize the vessels. And that is Tehran's version of the event. But here is where the story gets much bigger, because this seizure is happening at a very, very sensitive time. Right when tensions between Iran and the US, they are rising again. And right when both the countries are preparing for crucial nuclear negotiations. And yes, at the very same time, the US has been increasing naval presence in that particular region. Be it American warships, surveillance aircraft, security patrol, all have been stepping up around Gulf waters. Washington says the deployments are meant to protect international shipping and maintain regional stability, but Tehran sees it very differently. Iran views growing American military presence as pressure and provocation, and this creates a dangerous backdrop. Because this narrow passage, Strait of Hormuz, is not just a water route, it is one of the most important energy lifelines on the planet. Nearly 1/5 of the world's oil supply passes through this small, narrow corridor. So that basically means that any disruption here, it will not stay cool. It can shake the global fuel prices, it will affect the international trade and trigger economic anxiety across the continents.